Hey guys, it's Crystal.
And Lanchin.
Welcome back to my channel. So I have a little guest today. I'm so excited. We went on a little shopping trip. We forgot to film an intro, so that happened like October. It's now May because queen of procrastination in videos and life. So we are going to be making bougie outfits out of Forever 21. So we had the trip of a lifetime in August, and we went to Versace, and we went to Dior, and we went to all these stores in Rome, and we got an amazing shopping trip over there. So we have all those, like, you know, when they package up your little purse or whatever you bought there, they put these amazing boxes and amazing bows, and I feel like the bows are more expensive than anything in life. So we are now going to make outfits out of those ribbons, and she's going to do some grommets and some embellishment and make her sweater that she got at Forever 21 something amazing. So now we're back to the shopping trip. So we are going into the mall to find shirts or sweatshirts or something we can use to put our ribbons on. So wish us luck. I think we're gonna go to Forever 21.
Yes.
That's kind of our spot.
Get some good finds.
Yeah. Okay, so I think these pants are literally perfect. Maybe I can put a racing strip. Now to find them in the store. Oh my god. Okay. And then we put the Gucci over top of that and make it a racing stripe. I think I have enough ribbon for that. Now I think I found one for the Chanel. Make a little Chanel pocket moment. I think they're pretty good. This is gonna work. Gucci. Versace.
You know, the bag smells like Versace.
I'm wearing Versace Crystal Nowhere too, though.
You are?
Yeah, I just put it on. I want to smell good for you while we
So
film.
fancy. So fancy.
Okay, so this is what we got. I found the pants a couple months later, actually. The exact matching pants to that top. So now it's gonna, I know, right?
So
it's
funny.
gonna be like so more Gucci. Like it's gonna look way, way more Gucci-ish now that's like a full outfit, I feel like. So excited. And I've been having this in my closet forever because we've been like procrastinating. I'm like, I want to wear it so bad, and I was gonna like make it without her, but like I can't not make this video because I feel like this is such a good idea.
I know.
Like,
now you'll finally get to wear it once it's done.
I mean,
are you gonna do something with this one?
Oh
too?
yeah. And then
you're
this
still
one,
using them, right?
I forgot I even bought
Wait,
this. It's been so long. So this is gonna be the Chanel one.
Oh, okay. And then that one's the Gucci one. I know that one's
Yeah, and that will be Gucci. That's
And
Gucci.
then mine, I ended up just pulling something from my closet because originally I was going to do something with my Gucci ribbon, which I lost. So I'm doing this instead, and it's just a cropped hoodie from Forever 21.
We shop at Gucci and Forever 21.
Yeah.
There's no in between. And then the bag of goodies, all my ribbon from all the stuff I've purchased.
You're saving it.
So this is Dior ribbon. And then I have two different Gucci ribbons.
The
one is
thin and the thick, right?
I like how it's black on black and it's just like matte black.
Yeah.
Matte black. And then the white with the Chanel. So let's get started on this project. So we are folding them exactly the same where the logo starts. Since we are not sewing them and we're just gluing them, we want a really sharp line so it doesn't look like an unfinished edge.
Okay, so I'm going to be adding grommets to mine and putting a Dior string through like the hoodie part of it. So I got a little kit from Hobby Lobby that came with this. This smashes the grommets down with a hammer right onto it. So I'm going to be cutting holes where I drew marks. Hopefully they're kind of uneven, but it's fine. I'm going to cut little holes, and then I'm going to put the grommets in place, and then I'm going to hammer it down. So it's just going to be like an open hole, kind of like this. And then I'm going to remove this and run the Dior string back through it. That's what I'm doing.
So we have hammer, grommets, and we have a little hairpin
and scissors.
And she already marked it.
Yeah.
She's gonna start cutting her little holes, and I'm gonna be I'm gonna start with.
Because I have an actual hole punch for fabric, but I could
Ow,
not
he's
find
pulling
it.
my hair.
Hey, what are you doing? Thinks her hair is a string.
It's so annoying. I'll wake up to him to like smacking me in the head. I'm just like, dude, calm down. Now I'll show an insert in a minute, but I am matching it up to the top where I nicely folded it, and I'm gonna start gluing with E6000 and covering up the gold. So I have this in case this starts going everywhere. And I'm gonna carefully line this up. I'm gonna need my glasses for this. I am so old, I can't even right now. I'm so scared, because if I like
Don't
ruin this,
up.
like, it's Gucci. I can't just go buy more Gucci. Oh god, I'm scared.
This is really, I'm gonna do this to all my clothes. I'm gonna do it to a pair of blue jeans next.
It's happening. It's happening. Because they can't look faulty. They have to look actually Gucci, so I have to make them so good. I don't want to get clocked.
You do your grommets, you have to turn whatever you're doing inside out, so the pretty side shows. It looks legit. No one would ever question that.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Holy Gucci.
This is what I got so far.
Yay!
So I'm going to be adding this Dior ribbon to the hoodie. So I removed my old string and I have a hairpin. You can also use a safety pin too. I'm just going to tie it to this so I can string it through. Yeah, like that. Okay. And you're just going to push it like this. So I got it through the other side. You're just going to pull through and voila!
Yay!
Look at that. Magic.
It's now a Dior hoodie. So after doing it with the other ribbon, it was a little thinner, so it was easier to work with. But this one is a thicker ribbon, so I put a little dab of glue and really made a nice crease in it. This being so thick, I think I need to put the glue on the actual ribbon and not the jumpsuit first, because I don't want it to like have sections of peeling up or somewhere I missed because I didn't get it right. So I'm doing the reverse of what I did on the other one because that was a smaller ribbon. Oh, let's get started. Okay, you guys, I almost just had a mental breakdown, freaking out, thinking I ruined this whole project. I'm like, what did I waste all these hours for? Because I got glue on the ribbon and on the jacket. But I tried it. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna cry if I don't try it. But Goopy Gone literally saved my life. I took a little Q-tip and I barely put any on, teeny tiny bit, dabbed it off, and I literally just started wiping it on the area it got the glue on, and the glue started balling up and disappeared. That's so cute!
I tried.
So here's the finished project. I got so obsessed with her grommets, I decided to add rivets to make the little finishing touches and a little shine of silver. I'm so happy how it turned out. I've already washed it, dried it, and it has stayed intact and still looks awesome. And my friends had no idea it wasn't even Chanel. And now they're all asking me to make them some hoodies also. And here we are for the Gucci pants. The stripes turned out so good, and I added little pyramid studs to these also to finish it off and add a little gold touch to this one. And for the hoodie, I am obsessed! I added, obviously, the little Gucci logo on the back to make it look like a tag. Now it looks like a cohesive outfit that I cannot wait to wear. I'm so excited. So I didn't want this video ending up being an hour long, so I will film you guys another video to show you exactly the tips and tricks on how to put on the studs and grommets and all the fun rivets.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. We had fun making little fabulous outfits. She already had hers, I bought mine, but we made it fabulous and I love it. It turned out so good.
You did. It looks epic. Yeah, so I hope you guys try these projects at home. Of course, you can use any materials that you want to use to fit your own style and personalize it. You can use studs, you can use grommets, you can use different like ribbons like we did. Yeah, just make it your own. Just DIY everything in your closet. That's what we do.
Just put ribbon and sparkles and everything
you own.
That's like my whole channel. It literally is sparkling
That's
everything.
your whole apartment.
It is.
Like everything.
I'm like, when I
It
get a
suits
boyfriend,
you
they're gonna
so
be
well.
like, you need to not have sparkles over. I don't, not really. But if they don't like it, then whatever. But my next, one of my next, I don't know when I'm uploading this one, but I am bedazzling my car. Like,
Are you serious?
like I'm like rhinestoning like everything in my car.
I can't wait to see this.
And like license plates. I'm gonna show you how to do the license plates, everything. So stay tuned for the next video. I know I'm excited about that one. So as always, please like, give it a thumbs up, hit that little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Please subscribe, and all my socials on Instagram and everything are at CrystalTAXOXO, and yours are.
I have a YouTube channel, Lanchin, and my Instagram is Lanchin Designs.
And I'll put that in the description
Yeah,
below,
because
the links.
Lanchin sounds weird. You're not gonna know how to spell it.
She's an amazing artist. She does the best artwork ever. Oh my gosh. No, she's just like insanely amazing. She makes these like NASA inspired like space shots.
Yeah.
Galaxy
Astrophotography.
galaxy, but like makes it. Like it looks like someone took a picture, but it's actually her painting it.
Oh, I love
She's
you.
amazing. So you have to go check her Instagram out and her YouTube channel. So thank you guys. See you on the next. Yeah, I love you.
I love you. I can't believe we did
I know, we finally did it. What the actual? Get out.
How did he get in there?
No.
Fendi.
Get out.
Oh my gosh.
Lily, do you want a Gucci outfit? Do you want a Gucci leash?
Yes. Wait, that could be another DIY.
So I need a Fendi one so I can make my cat Fendi a little
a Fendi.
thing. I know.
Oh, that's so
I know. It'd be
Oh
really
my
cute.
gosh.
Another time.
Her cat
Someone
thinks
want to buy me
Fendi.
some Fendi things.